Yo, Map here, Map Investment. So let's talk about the next earnings trade for Monday afternoon. Try and make some money. So Take Two Interactive would be next on the list here of what's after the bell. Now Take Two Interactive, we're talking about $208 stock, big stock. So a 100 shares is gonna cost you over 20 grand if you want to do any significant play. Let's check out the option deal. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. So what we got in Take Two Interactive, and we're looking at the weekly chain because we got a binary event. We got 70% IV, and the IV rank is 31. Nothing great, nothing bad. Sellable. The expected move in Take Two Interactive is $15 up or down. That is your move. Take Two Interactive is a monster. Good company. So we're looking at here at the daily chart in the Market Smith. PE of 49, and this thing has just grown immensely from 124 to over 200 bucks. Just incredible. Beautiful, beautiful. 2020 it was at 100, high of 209, and that's where we're at right now. So this stock is basically at all-time highs. High ratings across the board. $23 billion. I think it's 23 billion. Let me see. Take Two. 23 billion, I think. 23 billion market cap. 92 institutional ownership. And no dividend. What would MEP do here? Well, so if you buy 100 shares, like I said, very simple. 100 shares times 207, $20,000. So if it made a $15 move, you're gonna make 1,500 bucks. I mean, it's a big investment. If you do 50 shares, it's half and half. 750 profit, $10,000 investment. A lot of money. I do a lot of singles and doubles. Just by looking at this and with my experience, my play on this trade, if I were to do one, which is possible because I like to do these trades, would be a broken wing butterfly, would be my trade in here. I would like to try and do it at the expected move, which is 207 as of the closing price on Friday, minus the $15. So 207 minus $15 puts you at 192. So let's take a look and see what a broken wing butterfly would look like at the 192.50 strike. So we hit the right click button here on this, and we're gonna buy. And we're gonna go buy butterfly. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna sell the 195, buy the 192.5 twice, and the 190 we're gonna skip. That's why it's called a broken wing butterfly. If you do a regular butterfly, you gotta pay a debit. Remember, we don't wanna pay anything, we want credits. So let's make this a higher probability trade. And let's see what kind of credit we can receive if we break this wing and go to the 187.5. We don't get anything. We get nothing. Let's see. Yeah, don't get anything. So the next option would be is let's come closer. So let's go to 195 and see what we can get here. So we're gonna go 197, so 190, we're gonna buy the 197 and a half. And I don't know how accurate this is. I'm just breaking down the trade for you. Maybe what I'll do is if I do the trade on Monday for the earnings play, I'll do a video and you guys can see it beforehand with actual pricing on the options chain. So we're gonna buy the 197 and a half. We're gonna sell two of the 195s. We're gonna skip here the 192 and a half and go to 190. Right here we can get a 40-cent credit on one contract. This would, okay, so we would get a credit of $40, and we're doing a very high probability trade here. I should probably open up the TOS platform, the Tasty Trade platform, and show you what kind of, it's a binary event, so let me see if I can open this here. Estoy haciendo un video, dame un momentico. 40 cent credit. Let me open up the Tasty Worker to give me a kind of a probability of success. But remember, it's a binary event, so you gotta take that with a grain of salt. Well, anyways, looking at this, we'll get to the probability of success on the trade. But this trade right here would cost you. So we're gonna be max profit is 290, max loss is 210, and we get a credit of 40 cents. So let's go here to Tasty and see how that would play out on the probability of profit. So you got a better. Let me close this one. I opened it twice, I think. Maybe I did a boo-boo. Let's see. These broken wing butterflies work well. I've had a lot of success with them. Those and calendar spreads. Okay, so let's go over here, and let's put up here take two. All right, let's see here. 35 IV rank, and trade it. Okay, and we're gonna go over here, broken wing butterfly, and we're gonna go long, and we're gonna go to the weekly, and then we're gonna pick the 195, right? That's what we did, 195, and let's pull this wing out. So right here we got an 81% probability of success. Take it with a grain of salt because it's a binary event. And we're collecting a credit of 40 cents. If you want to get more aggressive, you can by moving the strikes in and going to the 197 and a half. If you don't think it's going to go under 200 and having a 78% probability of success and collecting 73 cents. Your max profit is 323 and your max loss is 177 while you're collecting a 73 cent credit. I might lean towards this because remember the market likes round numbers. So if it sells off, maybe the market will keep it at 200 flat. You know what I'm saying? So let me explain the beauty of a broken wing butterfly. There's so many ways you can make money. The stock goes up, you keep the credit you collected. Here in this case, in this play, will be 73 cents. The stock goes down, but it doesn't go down a lot. It stays above $200. You keep the credit you collected. The stock comes down, and it lingers around 197 and a half. You can even make $323 on a down move right at the short strikes. So there's three ways to make money here, and you got a high probability of trade. Take it with a grain of salt. It's a binary event. But that's what we do. We're risk takers. We look for elevated IV rank, and we put our strategy in place. This will be my trade for Take Two Interactive for Monday afternoon. Maybe it changes based on the action on the price of the stock. Hopefully it's down on Monday, and I can get a bigger credit. So anyways, I hope you liked the video. I hope you understand a little bit more what a broken wing butterfly is. And Take-Two Interactive has been doing very strong, and the gaming industry is doing well, and I think it will move higher. But you never know. Binary events, Apple was down on earnings, but that's the risk that we take. We're traders. Anyways, please like the video, share it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.